Hello, my name is Oliver Schmidt, and today I'd like to show you how we can really get nice and fast turnaround times in cross-development setups with Wget65. Here on my PC I have already prepared a Hello World program, and its source is sitting here, and the first thing I'd like to do is to create a binary. The CC65 compiler usually creates an Apple single file that allows you to very simply transfer the binary to an Apple II disk image. However, right now we are not interested in working with disk images. We want to transfer the pure binary file directly to the ProDOS file system. Therefore, we need some special options to build the file. That is, I do not want to have an exe header compiled into my binary. So if I build it, you can see the compiler creates the object file and the linker creates the final binary. On the lower right, you see the HFS, the HTTP file server. You can easily find and download it from the internet. It's a really nice tool, very simple to use. I can just drag and drop my binary here to the virtual file system, and I'm ready to serve that file under the URL already given here. Okay, now let's turn over to the Apple II. Okay, here we go. I just booted into ProDOS. I'm setting a prefix to the directory I want to work in. Okay, and Wget65 will by default always create a binary with an starting address of 0. This is not what we want to have here. Therefore, I'm just creating a template file that I'm later on overwriting with Wget65. I do that by Okay, I'm just saving an empty file with the right attributes. Okay, here we go. The file is as we want to have it. Now, just a moment. Okay, now I can bring up Wget65 in just another location on my ProDOS file system without changing my prefix. Okay, here we go. The URL is the one that we already saw before on my Windows machine. It's just the IP address / and the program that we want to have. Locally, I'll just use the synonym, obviously, of the file I just created. Okay, there we go. That's already what we wanted. If we now check out the file, we'll see that it has some length, and if we run it, it shows what we expected. So far, so good. The interesting thing now is how quickly we can make changes and see how they work. So let's go back to the PC. Okay, I'll just change something in the program to say here, let's say, hello YouTube. Just save the file. rebuild the file, and that's all I'm going to do there. Then I go back to my Apple computer and just rerun Wget65. I just press the up key and the enter key, the up key and the enter key, and that's all. And now bringing up the file again, it shows the new file. That's all I wanted to show you. It's really very fast, very quickly, very easy. Thanks for watching. Bye.